every recipe I looked at had cheese. This one I actually did too, but I converted it. I put nutritional yeast instead of cheese. So it was an egg wash with Italian breadcrumbs, some garlic, some onion, a little bit of nutritional yeast, as I said, mixed it all together, sprayed it with olive oil, and this is what I came up with. And you can look at the recipe down below. Is rather than putting it in marinara or pizza sauce, why not try my avocado? It's avocado, basil, a little bit of garlic, some salt, and lemon juice. Run it up, and oh my gosh, it's so good.